Add the liver to boiling water, and you're going to love it. It's absolutely delicious. I'll start by adding 500 grams of liver into this pot with hot water. After cooking, it will look like this. Now I'll transfer everything to a bowl. You'll see how easy it is to prepare this recipe. I've detailed the whole process so you won't have any trouble making it. Here I have 3 boiled eggs, and I'll use a knife to chop them up. They need to be cut into small pieces so you get an amazing result in the end. A few simple steps, but the flavor is worthy of a chef. Now I'll also chop all the liver into small pieces, just like this. You can do the same at home. I'm sure you'll find it super easy too. That looks perfect. In a bowl, I'll add some olive oil. Then I'll add 1 chopped onion. I'll keep stirring until the onion starts to turn golden brown. When you cook liver at home, what kind of recipe do you like to use? Now I'll add 1 grated carrot. I'll continue mixing everything well with a spatula. The perfect combination of convenience and flavor straight to your kitchen. Look how beautiful it's turning out. Now I'll add a 1/4 cup of soy sauce and mix a little more. Easy to make, delicious to eat, and impossible not to have seconds. In another bowl, I'll add 3 eggs. Whisk them well until they have a more liquid texture. With this exclusive preparation method, you're going to impress everyone at the table. I'll also add parsley to taste. Now I'll add the boiled eggs here. And the liver as well. Tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a special shout-out. Today's shout-out goes to Matthew Nelson from New York. I'm so happy you're enjoying our recipes. After transferring everything to the bowl, I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano. Now I'll sprinkle the remaining ingredients on top. 1/2 cup of wheat flour. Give it another good mix. The best part of this recipe is that you can prepare it quickly and with just a few ingredients. When you make it at home, feel free to send me a picture of how it turned out. In a separate bowl, I'll add olive oil. I'll use a brush to spread the olive oil evenly. Don't forget to take notes. These tips are exclusive. You can use a spatula to arrange and smooth everything in the pan. I'll cover it and let it cook for 15 minutes. After the time is up, I'll add mozzarella, cut to taste. Then I'll cover it again and let it cook for another 10 minutes. Time's up, it's ready. Look how beautiful it turned out. Now just cut it, serve it on a plate, and enjoy this delicious dish. You can already surprise your family by making this wonderful recipe. It's a great way to bring everyone together.